Lab 4 Shell Programming. In this lab we will discuss case statement in shell, while loop, if statements and if else statements. The tools and software required for this lab is Ubuntu operating system and the terminal. However, if you don't have the environment, you can test your practical using online bash terminal. This is a sample code, case statement. Let's discuss this statement. This is our case example. Here we have input string, that is testing variable. Let's run this. I will type hello. It will match with the hello. Hello yourself. Then I will type bye. See you again. That's all false. The syntax is quite simple. The case line itself is always of the same format, and it means that we are testing the value of input string. The option we understand are then listed and followed by a right bracket as hello and bye. This means that if input string matches hello, then that section of code is executed up to the double semicolon. If input string matches bye, then the goodbye message is printed and the loop exits. Note that if we wanted to exit the script completely, then we would use the command exit instead of break. The third option here, the static and the bracket, is the default catch all conditions. It is not required but is often useful for debugging purpose, even if we think we know what values the test variable will have. The whole case statement is ended with ESAC, case backwards. Then we end the while loop with a done. That's about as complicated as case condition get, but they can be a very useful and powerful tool. They are often used to pass the parameters passed to a shell script, among other uses. The next control is while loop. Here you can see input string is hello, while input string is not equal to while. Do echo please type something in bye to quit. Read input string, echo you typed, and it will display again your typed string here. Once user entered the bye string, the while do loop will be done and it will exit from the program. Let's see on bash editor. If we run this code, hello, it will type again, you typed hello. Once I type bye, it will match with the while case statement, that is input string testing string is equal to bye. Once it is equal to bye, it will exit from the loop. If statement and if else statements. If x variable is less than 0, then echo x is less than 0, else echo x is more than 0. Let's see the output. x is more than 0. If the value of x is more than 0, it will print x is more than 0. This is how we can print if and else statements in bash script.